Hello, fourth grade. We're going to spend another week with partial products. The other word for partial products is distributive property. Distributive property is something that you'll really start to talk more about as you start to think about algebraic reasoning. But there's nothing wrong with you knowing the word in terms of how you know it now, because it is partial products. You're just breaking up the number to work with it. You're distributing the number. So if I say 8 groups of 14, that is the same as saying that I have 8. I know 14 is the same as 10 plus 4. 8 tens is 80 plus 8 fours, which is 32. So I'm left with 112. Another way you can look at that is you could actually change the order and say, okay, I'm going to look at it as 14 groups of 8. So I'm going to say, I'm going to keep my 14, but instead of 8, I'm going to look at it as 10 minus 2. Again, it's whatever works for you. We're all different. 14 tens is 140. 14 twos is 28. If I take 28 away 140, let's first take 20 away. It's 120. Lose 8 more. That's also 112. Just another opportunity of how you break up numbers. Let's look at 12 groups of 25. Sorry about that. If this works for you, please do it. So 12, well, when I look at 20, 20 is 2 groups of 10. So 12's twos is 24, so I have 24 groups of 10, or 240. Now, if I have 12 groups of 5, that's, well, 5, if I think of it this way, 5 tens is 50, 5 twos is 10, so that's actually 5 12s is 60, 240 plus 60, and then my answer is 300. Or, again, depending on how you want to look at it, maybe you want to look at it as 25 groups of 12, not 12 groups of 25, so you want to say, well, I'd much rather do 25 plus 10 plus 2, break up to 12. Here you brought 25. 25 tens is 250. 25 twos is 50. So I'm left with 300. Again, it's really up to you, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Just realize that partial products is allowing the numbers to be flexible with you. Also recognize, let's come back up to your 8 groups of 14. What if you said, well, hey, Mr. Harrison, I don't know 8 times 4 is 32. Well, 8 twos is 16, and 4 is made of 2 twos. So if you think of 4, you could have broken this up into 10 plus 2 plus 2, if that works better for you based on where your existing number sense is. You can always break it up that way as well. So if you have any questions, please ask, and hopefully you're having a great week. Thank you.